Hello and thank you for choosing Sunshine Trackers, home of HVAC Maintenance Tracker. We're going to talk about the map view. You've seen how we have the customer and the address and so forth, but let's go to the click on the customer itself, and then when you click on the customer, then you can look on map view, and this will show you where all the properties are for this particular customer. It's interactive. It's a Google map. You can even click on satellite and it'll show you the satellite view. You can even take this and take it to the very spot and drag it in to where you can see what's around at that spot. Okay, so it's just like if you saw it on Google itself, it's the exact same setup. So it makes it real easy. You can navigate around it real easy. You can see what you need to see. So if a technician is trying to find a property, then you can pull this up and look at the building or whichever if you don't have a picture of it. So the map is very good. It's very useful. The one good part about having a map is if you're in the reports and let's see if it shows anything. Well, we can do this one. If we go into the reporting, and these are different people. Okay, so if we do a search or do a map view, this will show where those properties are. So if you've got a customer that is down here that needs service, then you could go ahead and add this particular property to the technician. That way they could take care of this maintenance while they're in this area. For instance, a good example is it's about 45 minutes or so to this area, and you can't just send a person up there to take care of the maintenance on it. You really need a service call up that way. That's why you need to have your reporting to where you'll see it a couple weeks in advance before it's due. That way you can keep on the list, so when you have a technician go up there, you can do it. It's hard to remember all the addresses and so forth, but once you get all your properties in here, you can change the dates up here to where it'll pull up, say the next 2 weeks or the month or whichever, and then you can kind of put those in as fillers. Or you can just, if you have a full-time maintenance person, you can just route them out to where they're all up here. So you can see what all's due in this area, send that technician up there to where they can go ahead and do all the maintenance on them. And it just helps you from running from here to up here to back there and over. This will help you group it, and you can visually see where your properties are. This is probably one of the best features other than the reporting tab of this system, is that way you can see where they are. Without knowing where they are, it's really hard to look at addresses and zip codes and try to put it all together to where your technician cannot be running everywhere. And another thing is if you could start a technician right here, and then they could come to here and then to there and then over here. So you've got less drive time. Or if the traffic is real bad up in this area, then you could just send the person down here and just pick up this road and come on up, and then come up there and then back down here if your home base is here. So whatever you're going to do, it just helps you route them out. So for the dispatcher, it really helps a lot in order to find out where to put them. So I hope that helps. I hope you understand that good. If any questions or feedback, please let us know. You can email us or call us. We're happy to help. Thank you and have a great day.